this challenge, I learned different skills around Minitab and Excel. At first, I was hesitant to learn them because I didn't really saw the connection that this has with my career, which is biomedical engineering. But while I talked with some friends and I started to understand and practice the use of these tools, I started to recognize its possible utilities in my career. I think it could be useful in the analysis of data from a hospital or maybe the construction of models that will help with the development of new medical equipment. Also, I think that the cleaning of the data and the development of the models help me to develop my patience and to pay more attention to little details because those are the ones that end up having a bigger impact on the model that we have. The activities that I carry out were the cleaning of the data. I actually have a version of the file in Excel because I was deleting different things in each one and see how this affected the development of the model. The division of activities with the rest of the team, we did that at the beginning of the project so we could know who was going to be in charge of what. The generation of the models, I think that I end up with more than 30 models. I'm not sure about it, but they are a lot. And the analysis of both the data and the models to see how to optimize it. We try to eliminate all the outliers, but we end up having a lot at the end. We could see that on the box plots. The elimination of data with a p-value above 0.5, the elimination of data with BIF over 10, and the generation of gaps and other tests for the analysis of the models, from correlation matrix to residual analysis, box plots, and others. As I said, the box plots help us that we still had a lot of the activities that I carry out help us by giving us a bigger database from both Excel and Minitab models that help us to being able to compare which one will be better for the case. Also, by dividing and organizing the activities everyone had to do, we could optimize the time and the results. I think that the best example of this is that on Monday our R2 predictor went from 2% to almost 70% on Friday, yesterday. Also, by analyzing the models and their data, we could understand more deeply the model and how well it will work, and we could know if we have to change anything else. Finally, I think that the comparison to the basis presented by the Excel model or prediction wasn't that far away from the reality.